In these troubled times of the Amazon influencer program, don't you want to find a way to set yourself apart from the average influencer or the below average influencer? Okay, the guy who's not following through with brands. Notify Brand, the new one of the new tools in the Amazon influencer program for the Viral Vue extension, where it automatically will go through and notify brands when you've done the videos. Okay, and you want that to happen because that's going to set you apart from everybody else. Okay, you want to set yourself apart, especially in these times. Okay, these trying times of no commissions. You want those creative connection commissions to keep coming in. All right, so you want to notify these brands. Check this out. First thing we're going to do is come over to Edit Templates. We're going to come down to Notify Brand. Right, template name, Notify Brand, Hi Brand. All right, and you can get these with by right clicking. You can get these up here, right? So Hi Brand, wanted to let you know that I have published content for your product, and then this product URL, message block 2, because you can make more blocks. Here are your content, okay? And you got the content links in there. And message block 2 or 3, I would love to make work with you again. Are you looking for more content? So once you get that set, right, we can come over to active. Right, you come over to active and you can submit all content, and we're going to notify brand down here, send complete video links to brands. Okay, and we're going to do that, and we're going to submit media links as well. Okay, so that's also going to be, if you check this out, that's going to be your YouTube, your Pinterest, and all of that kind of stuff. And you hit start, and it's going to run through, and it's going to go. And I'm not sure I've done this. I'm not sure if I have videos since the last time I ran it. We'll see in a second. But it's accepting campaigns, running through to see if I have videos on YouTube, Pinterest, and Amazon. And they're going to notify the brands. And then the brands are going to want to work with me again, because this is just proving that I am one step above your average influencer. So you can hear it submitted content, 18 out of 24. So I found 24 videos that I made since the last time I ran it. And it's running and submitting the content. Now it's brand notifications are being sent. And we're going to let that run. Okay, so it finished. Submitted 23 out of 24 videos, processed 16 brand notifications, sent 12 new notifications. 4 were already notified. Some videos were not submitted. You could try again. Brand notifications sent 12 out of the 16. So we did pretty good. So we're going to close that. And you can only do that with Viral Vue. Okay, so you get yourself Viral Vue. The link will be down there. It's going to set you apart from all the other influencers. Nobody else is responding to brands. Brands want to see the videos. And now you're going to be sending them not only your Amazon link, but you're going to send them your YouTube, your Pinterest, and all your other media links. Okay, it's going to set you apart from everybody else. Get the Viral Vue down there link. 10% off with my code. Don't forget the code. All right, take care.